shit up, nigga, yo. Yo, Gen 5, yo. Fuck nigga, chum at. Gen 5 shit, nigga, yo. Turn shit up, nigga, yo. Beat a nigga ass up just like Kimbo. Do a nigga down bad just like Debo. Find that boy out, then I gotta lay low. Block got a block on the back, let go. Gen 5 run shit down, put a tag on your toe. Bad little shit, she gon' bring back the low. She play with my jeans, she know I'm on go. I ain't tryna be friends, tryna get it bitch stroke. Gen 5 getting too hot, I'm stoked. Getting bored in the trap, that post up at the stove. It get cold outside, if I tuck to my coat. I hit your bitch from the side, I'ma go. Pull out, she want me to bust in her boat. You not gon' do shit, nigga, not dope. Put a Glock 40 to a fake nigga froze. I fucked on the first date, bitch, I ain't posted. Blowing my switch, she spit uncontrollable. Love my little shit, she gon' spin in that body suit. Cheat on that bitch, she like Gen 5, I'm tired of you. Roll up 10 grams in the blunt, I get hot of you. Can't keep shit on the low, I ain't hot of you. Y'all bitch won't be with Gen 5, I'm up next. Walked in VVS all on my neck. Nigga try to come snatch my chain and get stretched. They said I won't be shit, okay, that's a bet. I done ran up my racks, now I'm dropping all checks. Pull up drip like a faucet, I get the bit wet. I ain't saving no bit, ain't no S on my chest. Felt shit, but I thank God that I'm blessed. Quick draw, pull out that fire, still burn them up. Extending my 30 Glock, bitch, ain't no burning up. Can't trust shit, bitch, ain't shit I can trust. Lately been looking for love, not the less. I'm in the stolo, you riding the bus. Hit from the back, I'ma smack the whole butt. They like goddamn Gen 5 up. It's out at my drip when I'm pulling up. Binary came with Chris Vet, that bitch start. Quick to pull that bitch out just for thank you, buck. Hate these niggas so much, I post up with the clock. Nigga always tryna come around, act fake talk. Stop running your lips, nigga, learn how to shut the fuck up. You just like to talk, you ain't sending shit up. Outline him in chalk, now he cannot get up. Send his ass to the gulag, Gen 5 get no fuck. I'm stacking this moolah, I'm running shit up. All these niggas be goose, look Gen 5 the duck. Turn shit up, nigga, yo. Beat a nigga ass up just like Kimbo. Do a nigga down bad just like Debo. Find that boy out, then I gotta lay low. Glock got a block on the back, let go. Gen 5 run shit down, put a tag on your toe. Bad little shit, she gon' bring back